Hey, welcome. So, with the temperatures dropping, sport bike season comfort is pretty much coming to an end. Now, I know there's some hardcore sport bike riders out there who, will claim they ride around with snow on the ground, but that's just not me. So, this video, I just decided that I would kind of just show the R1 out on one of my favorite roads, just doing something that I like to do just to improve my riding and try different things out, which is hitting laps. For those of you that are newer riders, if you watch this video, find a road that you enjoy that is somewhat isolated or has very minimal traffic and driveways and pedestrians, and kind of just take your time riding at your own pace, just going back and forth or hitting laps as they call it. Doing this can really improve your riding skills and comfort level on the road. The advantage of laps is that normally, if you were to ride through a section on a road, you would pass through and you would never come back to that section again unless you came back through that way. But with laps, if there's a section that maybe you came in a little bit too fast, or maybe, you didn't brake as well as you would have liked to, or maybe you picked a different line, a road like this allows you to kind of go back and forth quickly to kind of in your mind mend that section and try something else out. So finding a road that you can do laps on, I think, is a really beneficial thing because not everybody likes to or has access to the track. So despite what many may say online, you should start going to the track. It is good to go to the track, but it's also good to practice on roads. Not only because the majority of riders will spend most of their time on road, but not everything learned on track necessarily translates over to road and vice versa. So in addition, as another safety tip, say you do have a road that you are very familiar with, that you feel you know like the back of your hand. Regardless of how good your knowledge may be of the road, when you do go out to do laps, always remember just to do kind of a little slower pace, kind of screening lap or test lap first, just because roads change every day regardless of the conditions. It may be a tree down, there may be an animal in the road, there could be a car, who knows? Conditions are constantly changing, so just always remember that as a safety tip, when you do go out riding and you plan to hit laps like any road, just take it easy. In addition to riding at your own pace, at your own comfort level. And always remember that speed comes with time. The reason I recommend riding kind of with yourself or with someone who is similar pace is because it encourages you to take your time, learn your bike, learn yourself, and learn where your limitations are. But anyway, that's all I have to say for this video. I hope all of you are doing well, and I'll see you next time. Stay safe out there.